email and text campaigns. This is where you set up any of your pre-existing email and text message campaigns from our system. By default, all of them are assigned an email campaign. They are not automatically assigned a text message campaign. You can see this one is a 4-step home buyer right here. And you can change that if you would like by just clicking on one of these and just changing the email campaign. So let's see here. If you've chosen to if you want to do a text message campaign, you select the buyer text message campaign and click save. You may now successfully close this window. It updates that, and with this complete, anyone who engages the lead capture page will automatically be set up for text and email campaigns. If you've chosen to add a text message campaign, you'll need to also add a section on the page that actually allows the client to put in their phone number. So what we're going to do here is go to the top, click on Forms, and then Form Fields, and we're going to add a field here. It'll take you to this, and we'll scroll down here where it says, oh, did I miss it? Here we go, phone. We're going to click and drag to here, and then click Add Form Field. And as you can see, with the Ys, it's required that they have the name and email address. Phone is not required, but you can always change that by clicking on Change, clicking Required, click Save. This blocks the client from going to the next step if they don't enter their cell phone number or the other required fields. So we'll save and then click Refresh Page. And now you can see over here that it's added a phone section. And that's where they're going to put in their information, and that's where you can reach out to them via phone or email address at your discretion.